When starting a contracting business, it is important to understand the necessary insurance coverage to protect against potential risks. General liability insurance covers bodily injury, property damage, and personal injury, such as slander or libel, caused by your business operations. Commercial auto insurance covers damage to vehicles owned or leased by your business. If you have employees, workers' compensation insurance provides medical coverage and disability benefits to employees injured on the job. Business property insurance covers damage to or loss of business property, including equipment, inventory, and buildings. Errors and omissions, also known as E&O, insurance protects against claims of negligence or professional mistakes. Surety bonds guarantee the performance of your contracts and protect project owners from financial loss if you fail to complete work as agreed. To protect your personal assets from liability, forming an LLC is a crucial step. An LLC separates your personal assets from business liabilities. It is essential to use a business bank account to keep business finances separate from personal accounts to avoid commingling funds. Maintaining good record keeping is vital. Document all contracts, invoices, and expenses to provide evidence in case of a legal dispute. Consider umbrella insurance, which provides additional liability coverage beyond the limits of your primary insurance policies. When setting up an LLC, you must file formation documents, specifically articles of organization, with the state to establish your LLC. Obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, by registering your LLC with the IRS for tax purposes. Create an operating agreement to define the ownership structure, management roles, and financial responsibilities of the LLC members. It is crucial to maintain LLC status by following all filing requirements and avoiding commingling personal and business funds to maintain the liability protection provided by the LLC. It's beneficial to consult with an insurance broker who can assess your specific coverage needs and provide tailored recommendations. Negotiate contracts carefully, reviewing them thoroughly and seeking legal advice if necessary to protect your interests. Obtain customer testimonials and references, as positive reviews can enhance your credibility and attract potential clients. Stay informed on industry regulations and safety protocols to minimize liability risks. Consider business insurance and bonding, as they can provide additional protection and enhance your professional reputation. Let's delve into each of these aspects in more detail. General liability insurance is a cornerstone of risk management for any contracting business. It protects you from financial losses resulting from common accidents and claims. For example, if a client trips and falls on your job site, general liability insurance can cover their medical expenses and any legal fees if they decide to sue. It also protects you if you accidentally damage a client's property while performing work. The policy will typically cover the cost of repairs or replacement. Beyond physical injuries and property damage, general liability insurance also extends to personal injury claims. This includes situations where your business is accused of slander, libel, or other forms of defamation. While these types of claims might seem less common, they can still be financially devastating if you are not properly insured. Commercial auto insurance is another essential coverage, especially if your business relies on vehicles for transportation of equipment or personnel. It covers damages and injuries caused by accidents involving your business vehicles. This includes not only collisions with other vehicles but also incidents involving pedestrians or property. Commercial auto insurance typically provides broader coverage than personal auto insurance, as it is designed to address the unique risks associated with business use. Workers' compensation insurance is mandatory in most states if you have employees. It provides medical benefits and wage replacement to employees who are injured or become ill as a result of their job. This coverage protects both you and your employees. It ensures that your employees receive the care they need if they are injured, and it protects you from potential lawsuits related to workplace injuries. Business property insurance is important for protecting your physical assets. This includes your office building, equipment, tools, and inventory. If your property is damaged or destroyed by events such as fire, theft, or vandalism, business property insurance can help you recover your losses. The policy typically covers the cost of repairing or replacing damaged property. Errors and omissions, or E&O, insurance is particularly relevant if you provide professional services or advice. It protects you from claims that your negligence or mistakes cause financial harm to a client. For example, if you make an error in your design plans that results in costly delays or rework for your client, E&O insurance can cover the resulting damages. Surety bonds provide a financial guarantee that you will fulfill your contractual obligations. They are often required for construction projects, particularly those involving government entities. If you fail to complete the work as agreed, the surety bond can be used to compensate the project owner for their losses. This protects the project owner from financial harm and provides assurance that the project will be completed. Now, let's move on to protecting your personal assets from liability. Forming an LLC is one of the most effective ways to achieve this. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets from your business liabilities. This means that if your business is sued or incurs debts, your personal assets, such as your home, car, and savings, are typically protected. However, it is important to note that this protection is not absolute. It can be pierced if you engage in fraudulent or illegal activities or if you commingle your personal and business funds. Using a business bank account is another important step in protecting your personal assets. By keeping your business finances separate from your personal accounts, you can avoid commingling funds, which can jeopardize the liability protection provided by your LLC. A separate bank account also makes it easier to track your business income and expenses, which is essential for tax purposes. Maintaining good record keeping is crucial for protecting your personal assets and for managing your business effectively. Document all contracts, invoices, and expenses to provide evidence in case of a legal dispute. This includes keeping detailed records of all your business transactions, communications, and agreements. In the event of a lawsuit, these records can be invaluable in defending your business. Consider umbrella insurance for additional liability coverage. It provides an extra layer of protection beyond the limits of your primary insurance policies. This can be particularly useful if you face a large claim that exceeds the coverage limits of your general liability or commercial auto insurance. Umbrella insurance is relatively affordable and can provide significant peace of mind. When setting up your LLC, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, you must file articles of organization with the state to establish your LLC. This document provides basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, and registered agent. The articles of organization must be filed with the appropriate state agency, and there is typically a filing fee. Secondly, you need to obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is essentially a social security number for your business. You will need an EIN to open a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. Thirdly, create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership structure, management roles, and financial responsibilities of the LLC members. While an operating agreement is not always required by law, it is highly recommended. It can help prevent disputes among members and provide clarity on how the LLC will be managed. Finally, it is crucial to maintain LLC status by following all filing requirements and avoiding commingling personal and business funds. This includes filing annual reports with the state and paying any required fees. If you fail to maintain your LLC status, you could lose the liability protection that it provides. In addition to these basic steps, there are several other things you can do to protect your personal assets and manage your business effectively. Consult with an insurance broker to discuss your coverage needs and obtain tailored recommendations. An experienced insurance broker can help you assess your risks and identify the insurance policies that are right for your business. Negotiate contracts carefully, reviewing them thoroughly and seeking legal advice if necessary to protect your interests. This includes reading the fine print, understanding your obligations, and ensuring that the contract accurately reflects your agreement with the other party. Obtain customer testimonials and references, as positive reviews can enhance your credibility and attract potential clients. Happy clients are your best advertisement. Encourage them to leave reviews online and to provide testimonials that you can use in your marketing materials. Stay informed on industry regulations and safety protocols to minimize liability risks. This includes keeping up to date on changes to building codes, safety standards, and other relevant regulations. By following these best practices, you can protect your personal assets, manage your business effectively, and minimize your risks. Consider business insurance and bonding for additional protection.